At Levoit, we've just tested the Levoit LVAC300, and in this video, we'll tell you what we honestly think about it. And if you're interested in this product, we've included a link to the best price just below the video. This vacuum weighs less than 3.5 pounds without accessories. That puts it in the middle of the pack compared to the competition. During our tests, it handled well on different types of flooring, even on vinyl at maximum power. The brush head is easy to maneuver and follows the user's movements well. We also noticed that the handle was easier to grip than on other models, making it comfortable to use. Our suction test along baseboards was successful and showed us that the material quality of this vacuum cleaner was good. Unlike other models, it didn't leave too many marks on the baseboards. In terms of accessories, there is a multi-surface main brush with 3 built-in LED lights to reveal dust. It is not possible to raise the brush to vacuum thick dirt, but there is a space underneath it to bring the dirt towards the center. The vacuum cleaner also comes with a 2-in-1 flat nozzle and a mini motorized brush for fabric surfaces. A wall mount is also included, and screws are provided. However, it is not possible to attach both accessories to it. The wall mount allows you to charge the vacuum cleaner indirectly, but it is not possible to plug the cable directly into the vacuum cleaner. This means that you have to remove the battery from the vacuum cleaner to recharge it if you do not attach the wall mount. In terms of the interface, the device's LED screen displays the battery level as a percentage and the mode being used. There is an on-off button on the top of the handle, and a second button is located just above it to select one of 3 suction levels. A special feature of this stick vacuum cleaner is that it stands upright on its own, quite stably. This is an advantage that is not yet very common in this field. Finally, in terms of maintenance, the dust container has a capacity of 650 milliliters, which is standard. The emptying system is easy. Just press a button and most of the dirt falls out through the hatch. The manufacturer recommends cleaning the foam and felt filters once a month and replacing them every 3 months. The HEPA filter, on the other hand, should be changed every year. Okay, enough theory. Let's get down to business with our performance tests. The LVAC300 has 3 power levels: Eco, Medium, and Turbo. It does not have an auto mode, but it does have continuous suction. During our tests, we put it to the test by having it vacuum up rice to represent medium-sized particles, salt for fine particles, and coffee beans. We performed these tests on hardwood floors and short pile carpet. Thanks to its 240 watts of power and 12,000 revolutions per minute suction speed, it was able to vacuum up all the dirt in a single pass on hard floors. These are excellent results. The results on carpet were also very good. Admittedly, it took 2 passes to remove the salt embedded deep in the carpet, but this is often the case regardless of the suction power. In addition, it only took 2 passes in Eco mode to remove hair and pet hair from carpets. Note that these items did not get tangled around the brush roller. As a final performance test, we spread pet hair on an armchair to test the turbo brush. Using Eco mode, we found that only 2 to 4 passes were necessary, and the hair did not get stuck in the roller. So much for performance. Now, what about the noise emitted by this model? From the outset, we found the noise to be particularly loud. We checked it using a sound level meter. Placed 30 centimeters from the dust collector, the sound level meter measured 70 decibels in Eco mode, 72 decibels in Medium mode, and 78 decibels in Turbo mode. This stick vacuum cleaner is indeed noisy. By way of comparison, we have previously tested models that did not exceed 65 decibels at the lowest power setting. And finally, let's talk about battery life. The LVAC300 has a 3,000 milliamp hour battery with a theoretical battery life of up to 60 minutes. We tested the device's endurance with the main brush. Here are the results: 54 minutes in Eco mode, 48 minutes in Medium mode, and 20 minutes in Turbo mode. We found that this model has very good battery life. Without the motorized accessory, it can even last for over an hour and a half, which is exceptional. Finally, in terms of charging time, we estimated that it took 4 hours and 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery. So, there you have our test results. To sum up the positive points of the Levoit LVAC300 are its excellent performance, its exceptional battery life, its excellent maneuverability, the fact that it can stand upright on its own, its continuous suction, and its 2 handy accessories. As for the negatives, its loud operating noise, and the fact that you can't charge it directly without the wall mount. You have to remove the battery to charge it. And that concludes our test. Thank you very much for watching. As a reminder, you will find the link to this product with its best price just below the video. And if you like honest vacuum cleaner reviews, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel.